So I decided to do another video for all those rocket scientists that live here in Granada Hills. This is how they left those trees. So they cut the green and left all the dead stuff that not even close to the power line. What you see, those lines, they are not the power line. The power line are those wires over there that this tree was not even close. And you see the other one, the other tree is right there. See that? Let me close it a little bit from the top. You see that? They left it all dead. They took the green stuff out. They left all the dead stuff out. And again, it was not even touching the wire, but it's laying on the fiber optic. But again, let's put my hand on the top. This is what they did. They left it dead. Okay? They destroyed the trees, and there's a beautiful sunset right over there every night. It used to be between two palm trees. Now it's between nothing. And they left it dead like this. So again, let's close the top so you can see better. The trees over there are dead. They cut the tops. There and there. Great work, all you people that attacked me today. Now you understand what I'm talking about? Or some of you are still too stupid to understand that they come into people's houses and causing damages for no reason. This used to be a beautiful area in front of the house. This is gonna come to the house near you and to the house near your neighbors. And this is what the city does. They bring in people to cut the top of those trees that they have nothing to do with the power line or anything like that. They left all the dead stuff. Where is all those women that say, oh, they clean all the dead stuff? No. They left the dry stuff. They took the green stuff off both of those trees. They took the green stuff off. I'm gonna do another video in the morning, so it's gonna look a little bit better. Right now it's like it's kind of, there's light behind it because the sunset over there. So you guys can understand how serious this issue is. And I don't believe that so many people was attacking me when I'm bringing such an important point that the city coming to people's houses and cutting the trees and leaving it like this. This is gonna stay like this. This is what you rather see instead of a green palm tree. You have to be sick to your mind. I really feel sorry for you and your families if you think that this is okay versus the full palm trees. They left the dead stuff out and they killed the top of the trees. You got out of your mind. I don't believe that I live in this neighborhood anymore. How ridiculous this place become. And there is another green right there. You see there's another palm trees over there. Right where my fingers out. They're probably gonna come back and cut it as well. But they will not come back and clean this. And they're not gonna come back and clean that. You know why? Because they did the same in my house. When they come in from the side, cut the trees, and then you have to deal with it. So this is what's going on in Granada Hills, people. All the smart rocket scientists over here that were cursing me all day long. This is what they did.